So these are very simple steps that you can do at home. And the good thing about here is you don't need to spend anything here. So wala kang gagastos dito. All you have to do is Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's me teacher Mel and I'm here to help you out with your English problems. Do you want to be fluent in English or learn lessons in English? Then go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on the videos that I will be uploading that will help you to be fluent in English. For today's video, I'm going to tell you 4 easy ways that you can do to be fluent in English. So these are very simple steps that you can do anytime and anywhere, and especially at home. And I think it's perfect time for you to learn this one since everyone is encouraged to stay at home, and I know that you have lots of spare time, so you might want to use that for studying English. Before we start, disclaimer lang, when it comes to English, I cannot say that I'm 100% knowledgeable. Maraming mas magaling sa akin sa English, maraming mas matalino sa akin sa English. It's just that I want to share what I know and what I did to be better in English. So wag na nating patagalin, alam kong excited ka na, let's have number 1. So number 1 is have eagerness plus effort. I personally included this in the list kasi alam ko na ito yung pinakamalaking kulang dun sa mga gustong matuto sa English. They are planning to study, they want to be fluent in English, but they don't have that enough eagerness and effort. They don't exert effort, so they'll be fluent in English. Now set it within yourself that you're going to be eager plus you're going to exert effort. Having that desire to learn is a good start, but it should not stop there. You should be ready on the next process or the actual things that you will do to be fluent in English. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo lang, so dapat mag-e-effort ka din. Parang sa kanya, hindi lang pwedeng gusto mo lang.
Kailangan mag-effort ka din.
Okay, so that's our number 1. Have eagerness plus effort. Next, let's have number 2. Number 2 is read a lot. Most people who want to be fluent in English fail on this one because not everyone loves to read. They do not enjoy reading very long stories or articles. Okay, but I'll tell you, reading is really a big help if you want to be fluent in English. Okay, so through reading, we get to discover unfamiliar words that we don't know before, and it will help us to widen our vocabulary. Then, the more English words that you know, the more that you'll be fluent in English. So reading is really important. Because of reading, we discover new words, expressions, sentences, or phrases, and we get to use them not only in conversation but also in written. If you really want to be fluent in English, remember number 1, you should exert effort. So if you're not really a reader, then you should exert effort, at least try to read. It doesn't have to be a very thick book or long series of novels. You can start with magazines, newspapers, short articles online. There are thousands of choices that you can start with if you're not really a reader. And of course, so you won't get bored in reading, look for the things that will interest you. For example, if you're interested in cooking, fashion, sports, and any other topics that will interest you, then look for those things to read on. So you won't get bored and you enjoy reading. That's our number 2, read a lot. Now our number 3 is watch movies. For me, this is one of the most effective ways that you can do if you want to be fluent in English. By watching movies, also series, we get to hear characters actually speaking the language, actually speaking in English. And if you keep on hearing someone speaking in English regularly, you will adopt the language easily. Best examples are kids today. They are just going to watch cartoons in English, and after few days, after few weeks, you will notice that they are already good in English at may kasama pang accent. Okay, so it's not different with us adults. By watching movies or series in English, we can also adopt the language easily, including the proper pronunciation of words. It would be a great help for us to learn language at the same time the proper pronunciation. And when it comes to choice of movies, do not confine yourselves with American movies alone. Okay, when I say English movies or series, it doesn't have to be American only. You can still watch Korean novellas, Thai series, animes. You can still watch those things provided that they are all in English dubbed, because it's very important that you hear the characters speaking in English. Okay, so that's our number 3, watch movie. And last but not the least is our number 4. Number 4 is really important because if you're not going to do this, you are most likely to fail learning English. Or kung hindi man, magiging mabagal yung pag-adapt mo sa language. So our number 4 is practice your English. Okay, once you have acquired the language from reading and watching, it's important that you put it into practice. As what they say, practice makes perfect. Nothing is more effective learning English than practicing it. This means that you should use English in conversation. You may talk to your friends, relatives, co-workers, classmates in English. It's up to you on how you are going to do that, but the most important thing is you put this into practice. My suggestion is you can start by practicing on your own. You come up with different questions, maybe from beauty pageants or questions from school, and then you answer them on your own. You can do this for at least 2 to 3 hours a day, and that's a good start for you. So please don't forget to practice your English. So that's it. These are the 4 ways that you can do to be fluent in English. Just like what I told you, these are very simple. So right after watching this video, you may grab your materials, grab your books, start reading, or grab some movies and have your movie marathon. Before we end this video, let's review the 4 ways that I shared to you today. Number 1, eagerness plus effort. Number 2, read a lot. Number 3, watch English movies. And number 4, practice your English. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something today, and if you really do, please don't forget to click that like button, and you may also share this video to your friends who also want to be fluent in English. I'm also encouraging you guys to please request or suggest lessons that I can discuss here in my YouTube channel. Feel free to leave it on the comment section below. So thank you so much guys for watching. This has been Teacher Mel, and see you on my next video.